times that rain at a wedding is good luck. But in true Kim and David fashion, they have next leveled this thing to tornado warnings and sirens while she's coming down the aisle.
David, today is the day I become Mrs. Griggs. I cannot believe all that we have accomplished and grown in the last 4 years.
Hold me dear, just a little while longer. If I lose my way, remind me not to wonder. The touch of your hand reminds me to breathe. I know I'll be fine if you're
My grandfather always told me it's important to find somebody that not only loves you, but that is willing to support you through the worst of times. I can honestly say without a doubt that you're that person.
You're my best friend. And I'm so excited to do life with you. You've been my rock, made me laugh, and kept the adventures going. I can't wait to start our family and see the love you have for me become a larger love for us all.
I love you with all my heart. Never forget that.
You're the one I want for all of my days. No matter what comes, or when fire or rain.
I remember meeting you for the first time. I remember our first vacation, and I remember the moment I decided I want to spend the rest of my life with you.
You know, there comes a time in someone's life where they meet their lifelong partner, their soulmate, their true love, and that came for David about 20 years ago when he met me.
Kim is truly my best friend. She makes my life better, and I think everyone in this room's life better every day.
I'll be your chase it down, tough it out, sideline when there's no crowd, or the roots in your ground. I'll be your wrecking ball, brick wall, glass of wine.
To know Kim is to love her, and watching how happy David makes her, I couldn't wish any more for her. David, you truly are the perfect match for Kim. You are the first one to chip in for a family project, helping us with any and all that we ask of you. Any of mine and Kim's crazy ideas. No matter what we ask as a family, David is always there to step up and help. He never complains, just gives us that side-eyed crazy look as he mumbles under his breath, "What are these crazy heifers up to now?"
Sunrise, that line truth, that sober high, your last bet to buy. An open field, a wild horse, those 4 wheels if you're wanting more. Or if you just wanna ride, I'll lay next to you, let our bodies fall easy, let my hands receive. I'll lay next to you, light this bed on fire, gasoline to a light. I'll watch you burn bright. I'll lay next to you, I'll lay next to you. Give you space, let your dreams take flight. If you fly away, I'll hold you tight. If you
I could not have handpicked a better brother-in-law, a better uncle to my children, and a better husband for my very best friend. We love you and welcome to our family. Cheers to David and Kim.
David, you're not just my friend, but you're everybody's friend, and he'll always be there. And Kimberlie, that's what you just gained tonight, was a lifelong friend.
give you space, let your dreams take flight. If they fly away, I'll hold you tight. If you fall, I'll lay next to you. Let our bodies fall easy, let my hands receive. I'll lay next to you, light this bed on fire, gasoline to a light. I'll watch you burn bright.
It is my great honor, with the power vested in me by the state of Florida and this real cool notary stamp that I have, to introduce to you for the first time, Mr. and Mrs. David Griggs.
I'm gonna give you 2 pieces of advice, David. First, just always know that Kim has a plan. Don't try to change it, even if your idea seems better. Just go with it and know that there's always a plan. Second, after 13 years of sharing a bedroom with Kim, please just let her pick out the comforter. Trust me on this one.